Hello guys, welcome to our video. In this video, we would like to introduce to you one of our best-selling products, Bonsai Driftwood _ never out-of-date decorative item. Now I would like to unbox 3 random boxes of our bonsai for you to know more about how they are packed and what they look like. Box number 1. As you can see, they are all carefully packed with paper inside and a carton box outside. Box number 2. Box number 3. All of our products are well packaged as shown in the video. Therefore, it is not desirable for the product to be broken or damaged. If you are not satisfied with the quality, please do not rush to give a bad review. Instead, contact us directly or Amazon Return Center to be adequately compensated with another new product. We are providing 2 types of bonsai tree and bonsai tree on rocks. Thank you for watching the video.